para sa'yo.
Welcome to another day of Events Live. Today we are here at SMX Pasay for the largest gathering of architects in Asia. This is the United Architects of the Philippines National Convention. With 4 big halls and 5 function rooms, SMX in Pasay City is one of the biggest convention venues in the Philippines. Normally, a client will just rent 1 or 2 function rooms or event halls. But since this is the biggest architect gathering in Philippine history, they rented out the entire SMX Convention Center.
power vested in me as the UAP National President, I declare the 49th UAP National Convention open.
Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for our breakout sessions this afternoon, we would like to request our dear guests to kindly vacate the main hall.
Okay, so right now, I am with one of the best voiceover guys. Ito yung tao na hindi nawawalan ng event almost every day. He has an event, no? The one and only Sir Archie.
Hello. Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Sa lahat ng ating mga viewers sa YouTube channel ni Direk Aki, one of the most sought after director in the event industry.
Okay, so first question muna tayo. No? We're about to resume the afternoon program. Can you tell us quickly lang or briefly, how did you start in the industry?
Well, I started my career as a radio announcer. So I honed my voiceover modulation sa paggawa ng radio commercials, TV commercial plugs, and after ng radio ko, nag-TV ako. I worked with TV5. Nag-voiceover ako for the news and some commercials for radios. Yeah.
Is it hard, the difference kasi no, when you're doing yung wala kang audience, like if you're in the studio or live voiceover where you get to see the people reacting to what you're saying, malaki ba yung difference niya?
Yes, una-una ang sa live kasi, unahin ko muna sa live. Sa live kasi ang voiceover siya yung parang magsiset ng mood ng event. So, sumasabay ang mood ng tao, ng event on how you deliver your spills. May mga mataas ang energy, may malumanay. Like example, from the national anthem to the prayer, to the start of the show na kailangan merong high energy yung pag-deliver mo ng spills. Sa radio kasi or sa recording, parang not really flat ang mga deliveries mo. Ganun din, may emotions din, pero mas high energy kapag live. Kasi parang yung adrenaline rush mo, every time you read your spills, nakikarried away ka, lalo na kapag yung mga tao pumapalakpak, sumisigaw. Tapos, kunwari, ini-intro mo ay banda, like example, Parokya ni Edgar, Ben and Ben. So, kailangan you have to hype the crowd. Parang hype man din kami.
And there is no take two, Sir Archie, no, na when you say a line, nagkamali ka the pronunciation or whatever, people will really notice na nagkamali ka, correct?
Exactly. Kaya kailangan bago mag-start ang show, ang event, you have to run through your script. I-practice mo na on how to pronounce the names, yung banda, yung kunwari merong mga words doon na hindi mo masyadong kabisado yung pronunciation. Alam mo naman na English is not really our first language, pero we speak English, pero hindi naman lahat ng vocabulary ng English kabisado natin. So there will be times na parang mga unfamiliar words, kailangan mong research. Mabuti nga ngayon, mas madali ngayon. You can just Google it, just type it, how to pronounce this particular word, tuturo na sa'yo ni Google.
Correct. Okay, so right now, let's go to naman with the events industry. How would you say is the events industry in the Philippines?
Events industry in the Philippines is fast-paced but exciting. Ayan. Kasi dito sa Philippines, we are into perfection as much as possible. We love it. We love the excitement of every event. So kailangan kapag ginagawa natin to, one miss, you die. So kailangan perfect. You have to execute it perfectly ang bawat events natin.
Correct. Okay, so last question na lang before we resume the program. You've been in the industry for so long now. What's the secret sauce?
Attitude. Hindi sa boses. Lahat maraming magagaling na boses, maraming magagaling na voiceover. Pero I guess for me, it's number one, attitude.
There you go, words of wisdom from the one and only Sir Archie. Thank you, Sir Archie.
Thank you so much. It's an honor.
blackout.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, known for his ballad hits and sold-out concerts, former vocalist of the premier band of the country, one of the OPM icons. Please welcome the country's premier artist, Joey G.
Welcome to the United Architects of the Philippines National Convention, NatCon 49.
Okay, so hi everyone. Right now I am with the president of the Philippine Live Event Spinners. He is also one of the best audio spinners in the Philippines, Sir Roy Repalda. So Sir Roy, shout out ka muna.
Hello, shout out po sa Philippine Live Event Spinner Group. Mabuhay kayo.
So Roy, first question ko sa'yo, ano ba yung Philippine Live Event Spinners?
Kami po yung nag-handle ng mga palabas. Kami po yung naglalatag ng mga music and then naglalagay po ng mga music and SFX para po magkaroon ng tunog yung isang palabas sa industriya namin.
Paano nyo naisip na gumawa ng group?
Actually, matagal na tong grupo na to, pero nung pandemic, binuo namin siya para maging solid yung grupo. Kailangan din na magkaroon ng grupo para at least maayos din lahat yung sistema ng kalakalan ng event spinner sa buong Pilipinas. So yun decide namin nila Pops James Gatchalian at saka si Ding Dong na itayo itong grupong to para maayos yung sistema.
It's a one-stop shop. So, magsabi ka lang sa kanila when you need the spinner and then they can provide. Sa line of work nyo, Sir Roy, ano ba yung, let's say, pinakamaganda or exciting? Ano yung pinakagusto mo sa pahiging event spinner?
Unang-una, nag-i-enjoy kami dito dahil nakakapunta kami sa iba-ibang lugar sa buong Pilipinas. Aside from dun, sa ibang bansa rin, nakakapag-spin din po kami. Pag kami mga malalaking conventions or mga corporate gigs, nakakalabas din kami ng ibang bansa.
So one more question, Sir Roy. Being in the industry for almost 30 years now, what's the secret?
Kailangan love mo lang din yung trabaho mo, tsaka enjoy mo lang siya ng enjoy para at least magtagal ka dun sa posisyon na kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Like kung mahal mo talaga yung pagiging isang event spinner, so marunong ka mag-invest ng music, ng gadgets, at isa pa, kailangan ma-research ka rin para makasabay ka sa industriya.
So, continuous process siya of learning. So, once again, the president of the Philippine Live Event Spinners, Sir Roy Repalda.
The group that brought Filipino folk into the limelight with chart-topping hits such as Araw-Araw, Pagtingin at Sa Susunod na Habang Buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all sing our hearts out together with Ben and Boy!
Balak mo akong iwan
O ba't mo ka kuminat? Mga sa gitna, kamusta kayo? Maraming salamat ulit sa mag-invite sa amin sa special night na ito. Alright. Itong susunod namin kakantayin para sa mga may pinagdadaanan ngayong gabi. Kapag sigurado ka na sa kanya, UAP, isa lang kailangan kong sabihin. At yun ay walang kumakundi, mahal, alam mo ba? Paninindigan kita! Kailan at paano. Kailangan mo lang maniwala na all will be alright in time. Para walang pa siya lahat naman pinagdadaanan, the song is called Leaves. Mula sa harap dito, hanggang sa pinakalikod, hanggang dyan sa gilid. Pwede nyo bang ilabas yung mga phone lights nyo? Pailawin natin.
Good morning, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and fellow architects. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you to the opening plenary session of the final day of our convention.
Okay, so right now I am with one of the best technical directors in the Philippines, none other than Sir Mike Ong. Ayan,
Hello,
sir.
good afternoon sa lahat ng viewers.
Okay, so first question, as you can see right now, behind us is the band. Kakatapos lang po ni Sir Mike and team to set it up. But quick question, Sir Mike, what is a technical director? Ano bang ginagawa nyo para sa events?
Actually, ang technical director, yun na mismo, technical and then director. I'm the one who's orchestrating the setup from ground zero hanggang sa mabuo namin yung buong set. So, composed of staging, trussing, lights, audio, pati power yan. Ako yung in charge yan.
How long have you been a technical director?
Nakakahiyaman, pero since 2007 ako nag-freelance. But may mga company akong, ako yung TD, ako yung PM, set designer din. Mga 2002 hanggang 2007.
As a TD, ano ba yung nagiging normal challenges?
Laging yung oras kasi laging yun naman ang kalaban ng sa technicals eh. Let's say pag sinabi nung client na ito lang yung allotted time natin to set up. So yun lagi naman. Pati mga malalaking event ganun din. So dapat maging maselan ka pagdating sa timeline. Chine-check mo kung talagang yung nire-request na oras ng mga client is kaya. Siyempre, check mo rin, alam mo yung oras kung gaano katagal ang pacing ng trabaho ng kada element ng setup natin.
So last question na lang, Sir Mike. So what is your advice to people who want to be like you as a technical director or those who want to be in the events industry?
Okay, as a technical director muna, no, dapat mahaba pasensya mo. Saka pangalawa, mathematics. Kasi halos lahat ng sa technicals, puro may kasamang math. Kaya wag kayong magsasawa sa mga learnings dahil every year may mga bagong natutuklasan na baka mapag-iwanan kayo pag hindi kayo nag-update. Yun lang. And then in general, sa mga events, siyempre kung passion mo, gustuin mo yung trabaho kasi ginusto mo lang dahil para kumita, hindi ka pwede rito. Dapat pati yung passion mo, music, design, arts, yan. Nandyan yan.
So number one talaga, patience, Sir Mike, no? Okay, so once again, guys, Sir Mike Ong, our technical director.
Bago tayo magsimula, unang-una, kuya, yung barrier na yan, papatanggal ko talaga yan. Ganito, let's do it peacefully. Kung ikaw nasa harap, tanggalin mo yung slot na yan. Meron ba nakaset na nagkatayuan tayo lahat? Okay na tayo lang dito. Okay lang. We're just trying to be considerate. So lesson namin para sa mga gagawang lalaki na magbago na sa babae natin. Sana mag-report niya. Tumulong ko na mag-gitara, so saan kami ng jam. Tapos kung nagkasalit si Gab, inibito ko siya na siya muna mag-gitara para sa amin sa mga nagpapahinga si Gab. So, palapakan natin si Rangel. Nakakatawa lang kasi nung nakabalik na si Gab, hindi namin alam kung tama siya tayo. Hindi na talaga naman kung kailan siya sabay talaga. Hindi kasi, lagi naman namin ginagawa yung tumutugtog kami. Minsan may mga excited na una. May timing yan eh. Pero kayo alam mo, yung sober kayo, para kayo nag-track